The following message is transmitted at the request of NASA and the United States government. At 10 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, astronomers discovered an asteroid named 2017 X359. This asteroid is on a direct collision course with the planet and will impact Earth within the next 2 to 3 weeks. However, all citizens should remain calm, as this asteroid could impact a different planet. Stay tuned to this station for more information on this situation. We interrupt our regular programming. This is a global emergency. Important details will follow. The following message is transmitted at the request of NASA. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. The asteroid, 2017 X359, that was discovered 3 weeks ago, is expected to impact Earth within the next 12 hours. This asteroid is about 4 miles wide. There is nothing humanity can do to stop this asteroid impact. Once the asteroid hits the Earth, giant mega-tsunamis will form, massive earthquakes will occur, and the sun will be blocked for 2 years. All species on Earth will be killed. At this time, all residents on planet Earth should seek an underground shelter to pray and brace for the end. We will all see each other in heaven. This is the EAS Tom, signing off from the emergency alert system. This broadcast will now cease transmission.